Now the thermodynamic and kinetic control of reactions. There are a number of organic reactions in which a compound under a given set of conditions can undergo competing reactions to give different products. As we know, in organic chemistry we have a number of organic reactions which undergo different conditions give the different products. As we have A in different conditions give the thermodynamically controlled product, and in different conditions give the kinetic controlled product. Suppose B is thermodynamically more stable than the C, but C is formed faster. In this, we have to suppose that B is thermodynamic more stable than the C, but C is formed faster than the B. If neither reaction is reversible, C will be formed in large amount since C will form faster. If these reactions is irreversible, not reversible, then C will be formed in the larger amount, also C will be formed faster. Such a product which formed faster because it has a lower free energy of activation is called kinetic controlled product. This product which forms faster or have a low free energy of activation, then it is called the kinetic controlled product. However, if the reaction is reversible, this will not necessarily be the case. If we taken that in the form of reversible reaction, now this will not necessarily be that we will get the kinetic control product. If such a process is stopped before the equilibrium is reached, the reaction will be kinetic controlled since more of the faster formed product C will be present. If such a process stopped before reaching the equilibrium, then the reaction is kinetic controlled because we have the C product which is formed the faster. However, if the reaction is allowed to reach the equilibrium, the thermodynamically more stable product B is predominant product. As in above case, we can see we get the product before reaching the equilibrium. If equilibrium is reached and we get the product B, then it is the thermodynamically stable product. Under these conditions, the initially formed less stable product C reverts to A more quickly than the more stable product B does so. Under all these conditions, we have a less stable product C which reverts to A more easily than B which is more stable than C. Such a product which is formed slowly but because of its greater stability keeps on accumulating in the reaction mixture till equilibrium is reached is called thermodynamically controlled reaction. Product which is formed slowly but have a greater stability and which accumulating the reaction mixture till reaching the equilibrium, that's called the thermodynamically controlled reaction. For example, we have 1,3-butadiene. In the presence of -80 degrees Celsius temperature, we get the 1,2 addition product which is predominates. In the presence of 40 degrees Celsius temperature, we get the 1,4 addition product which is predominates at the 40 degree temperature. Now, this is the 1,3-butadiene plus HBr in -80 degrees Celsius. We get the 1,2 addition product. This is the 80% and this is the 20%. Now, in the presence of 40 degrees Celsius, 1,2 addition product forms 20% and 80% we get the 1,4 addition product. When the mixture formed at the lower temperature 80 degrees Celsius -80 degrees Celsius is brought to higher temperature 40 degrees Celsius, the relative amount of the two product changes. As we read above, when we have -80 degrees Celsius, 1,2 addition product is the maximum product, and when it changes to the 40 degrees Celsius, 1,4 addition product is the predominates or we get in higher product. So Simply relative amount of the two product changes when their temperature is changes. On warming 3-bromo-1-butene 1,2 addition product to 40 degrees Celsius with a trace of acid results in equilibrium mixture, that is predominantly the 1,4 addition product. This is the 20% 1,2 addition product. In the presence of 40 degrees Celsius, we get the 80% product, which is 1,4 addition product. Because the above reaction favor the 1,4 addition product, that product must be more stable. As we can see, 1,4 addition product favors this reaction, the product will be more stable. When a reaction produced more than one product, then the product that is formed more rapidly is called kinetic controlled product. Suppose in a reaction we have more than one product, then the product which is formed faster is called the kinetic controlled product. The more stable product is called the thermodynamically product. The product which is formed faster is called kinetic controlled. The product which is more stable is called the thermodynamically product. Reaction that produces the kinetic product as a major product are said to be kinetic controlled reaction. Reaction in which the kinetic product is the major product is called the kinetic controlled reactions. Reactions that produces the thermodynamic product as the major product are said to be the thermodynamically controlled. Similarly, reaction that produces thermodynamically product as a major product, so this is called the thermodynamically reactions. Thermodynamically controlled reactions. When a reaction is under kinetic control, the relative amount of the product depends upon the rates at which they formed. If the reaction undergoes the kinetic control reaction, the amount of the product depends upon the rates at which they are forming. When a reaction is thermodynamically controlled, the relative amount of the product depends upon their stability. In case of thermodynamically controlled reaction, the relative amount of the product depends upon the stability of the product. Now, at lower temperature, the relative amount of product of the addition reaction are determined by relative rates at which 2 addition occurs. 1,2 addition occurs faster, so the 1,2 addition product is the major product. At lower temperature, amount of product determined by the relative rates at which they are formed. In addition reaction, 1,2 addition occur faster, so the 1,2 addition product is the major product. At higher temperature, the relative amount of product are determined by the position of equilibrium. As in case of higher temperature, amount of product determined by the position of equilibrium, as it reaching the equilibrium or it will not reach the equilibrium. The 1,4 addition product is more stable, so it is the major product. In case of higher temperature, 1,4 addition product is more stable, so it is the major product. The product dominates depends upon conditions under which the reaction is carried. As the conclusion is, we getting the product depends upon that conditions under the reaction is proceeding. If the reaction is carried out under mild conditions, if the reaction carried out in mild conditions such as in lower temperature, the major product will be the kinetic product. The major product we getting is kinetic controlled. If the reaction is carried out under more vigorous conditions, means at a higher temperature, the major product will be the thermodynamically controlled product. This is the reactant, this is the mild condition, this is kinetic product, this is the vigorous condition, this is the thermodynamic one. This is in the presence of low temperature, this is in the presence of high temperature.